where did you start living in your first year?
So first year was Purbeck House, just to say right by town. Really, really lovely accommodation. Couldn't knock it. It's prime location to get the bus into uni. I think it took maybe 10 minutes, 10, 15 minutes. And then getting to Asda as well, the big Asda right by the train station and train station as well, as I say. Being able to potentially get back home was really kind of, I think, good for my family to know, and also good for me that I'm always, to say the being the train station, it was 5 minutes away from my first year apartment. So then I could literally then be an hour and a half on the train, kind of back home if I felt unwell or just wasn't in the right mental state and wanted to get back home quite quickly. And then I had also the opportunity to kind of say get into town, get by Asda as well. Get my shopping done quite easily. So really good kind of network from getting into uni, 10 minutes away, and being in from the town as well.
And where did you live in your second year?
And in my second year, I lived in Charminster, which was just by Charminster High Street. So I had kind of links to kind of all different shops there. I also had a bus service that I think would have taken me about 15 or 20 minutes. I was about 10, 15 minutes from Winton High Street. So in relative to Talbot campus, I probably took about half an hour walk to uni. So again, really, really easy to get to. But I found, I did find that I was working a lot more at home my second year, just because, not as in actual home, but home in Charminster. As I just found that I worked kind of better when I had those assignments kind of in front of me. And there was a couple bit more lectures which I couldn't always get to, so I would just kind of catch up at home and do them.
And where are you living in your final year?
My final year, I believe, if I remember correctly, we've just kind of sealed it in the last couple of months. I think we're literally just out by Winton High Street, so even closer to kind of uni again. In a bit of a smaller house, but just kind of easier to get to.